Okay, let's take our final quiz over this material. So question number one, the image of an object in a flat mirror appears to be located where? So that if you've got a flat mirror and then the object is over here, then where is the image located at? So it's going to be located over here, and it's going to be the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. Question number two, what kind of mirror can focus light in front of it? So you have your choice between either being a concave or a convex or a flat mirror. So the light is coming from this direction into each one of the mirrors. So the question is, which one can focus light in front of it? And that's going to be the concave. So the light, when it hits here, is going to come to a focus right there. Okay, question number three. When light refracts from a piece of glass into air, is it going to be bent towards or away from the normal? So this one is what we want to do here is let's draw our piece of glass, and it says that light is refracts from a piece of glass into air. So this time the light is coming this way. Okay, and then this is the direction it would go if this material was made of this material. So this is going to be air out here, and then this is going to be glass in here. And what we want to know is it going to be bent towards or away from the normal. Okay, so here is the normal right there. It's the one that's perpendicular to it. So is the light going to be bent in this direction? So that's going to be away from the normal. Or is the light going to be bent in this direction, meaning it's going to be bent towards the normal? So on an exam, I could go A, B, and then C. So arrow A, arrow B, arrow C. Which direction will light go if it's going from glass into air? All right, how are we going to do this? The car. So we're going to pretend that we've got a car. We're going to put the wheels on it. So there's the four wheels. And we're going to pretend that this is mud. And we're going to pretend that this is dry grass. So what's going to happen when which wheel is going to get into the dry grass first? Okay, it's going to be this one. So this wheel right here is going to reach the dry grass first. When it reaches the dry grass, is it going to speed up or is it going to slow down? It's going to speed up. So if it speeds up, then that means it gets traction, and so this one is still stuck in the in the mud over here. So that means it's going to pivot in the direction of C. So the correct answer is going to be away from the normal. Okay, question number 4. You have a lens. It has a focus of 4 centimeters. An object is placed 20 centimeters in front of it. Where will the image be located at? Okay, so what variables are you given in the problem? We're given 4 centimeters. We're given 20 centimeters. We're looking for something. So the 4 centimeters was what? That is the focus F. The 20 centimeters is the object, so that's O. Okay, then where will the image be? That's the I. So we're looking for the I. So now we're going to use the formula 1 over F equals 1 over O plus 1 over I. So we got 1 over 4 is going to be equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over I. Okay, 1 divided by 4. So that's going to be 0.25 equals. Okay, 1 divided by 20. That's 0.05. I think so. Okay, plus 1 over I. So next step is add these two together. So this is a positive. When we take it over to the other side, it becomes a negative. And so when we take this over to the other side, this thing is going to be a 0.2 equals 1 over I. And then finally, what we need to do is flip it. So 1 divided by 0.2. And that's going to be our answer. So I'll let you do that with your calculator. So 1 divided by 0.2. Well, that's it. So now we're finished with reflection and refraction. So in our next lesson, we're going to talk about interference and diffraction. So I will see you then.